Hi, I wanted to show you how to search for Google Plus communities that you can network in and learn from members, and also how to set up your own community. So notice that I have my Google Plus Joyce here, and if I didn't have that, I should probably set that up because you have to be a Google Plus member. It's very easy to do that. Look for that plus sign, and you can do that yourself. But under the home button is where a lot of this stuff is relating to communities. So I'm going to click on communities. And then when this opens, you can see where I've been invited to join, the communities that I myself moderate, and the communities that I've joined in which I'm not moderating. And so that's great. And I like the existing communities. And you can see that I've set them up for my classes at Rutgers, for the entire Rutgers school, well, the Rutgers library community. There's one for Global TL. We're trying to really look at global literacy in that one. One for a new book by Paul Fleischman, some other projects I've worked on, and this one's a big one. There's 399 members. This is TL Chat, and that actually, without even searching, that's one you probably want to join. This is basically the teacher librarian community, and this is a great place for networking. I'll open it. And you can see that there's a lot of posts. You can see the structure, who's posting. You can see a little bit about the community. You can see that I need to either approve or not approve some folks. Some of these people look like librarians, and I'm going to check that out. And some look like they may be ad people, and I'm probably not going to include them. And you can see posts, what they look like. You can see that there is interaction around the posts. These are the people who have done some kind of activity. What activity means, you can plus one, kind of liking. You can share the post with other parts of Google Plus, and you can comment. Down here, you can see how many comments and reply to comments. So that's really, a very interesting way to interact with these things. They become little threaded discussions, right? So let's go back to the community section, and I'm just going to show you how to search for a community. But I highly recommend, again, that you join the TL chat community and possibly consider joining Global TL, where we're just getting started with some new global literacy projects. So anyway, I can search school libraries, and once I do that, I can take a look at what's up here. There's one for media specialists, and I'm not sure what WISE is. But before I join it, I want to take a look at it, and I can see that it looks like this is about Wisconsin, I imagine, for WI connected educators. So may not be something that I want to learn, I want to join because I am not from Wisconsin. But if I wanted to, I could join the community. Sometimes this is moderated, and I could also invite friends if I wanted to. Making school library media specialists, there's some specific groups like primary school libraries, but as I'm looking at them, I'm really making some decisions about how large the community is, whether it's private or public. A lot of these are just getting started. Some are very well established. In any case, these are places you can actually, it looks like the older ones might be towards the bottom, but you can see that some of these, and they keep loading, so there's an awful lot of these. But honestly, you don't need to just limit your search to school libraries. You can search for any of your personal interests, or also search for the interests of the teachers that you collaborate with. So consider joining these communities. So consider starting your own. What are the communities for which you can get things going? I highly recommend that if you really like Google Plus communities, you click the Create button, see that you can make a public or a private one, and in private ones, only people who are invited can join. In public ones, that people still need to ask permission to join. And it's as easy as clicking this button, Create Community. I have to make a choice first, and I will call it Test for now. I'll probably get rid of it. And I can make decisions about anyone can join or anyone can ask to join, create the community. Once you start creating a community, you can change the photo. You can add some information about what the community is, put a tagline in there. And I think among the really powerful things is that you can add categories. And these categories make your community searchable. So if people are talking about ebooks, for instance, within the school library community, it would be very easy for them in a pull-down menu when they post to select ebooks from the categories you select. And then also, what are the major links that you would need for your community? For my classes at Rutgers, I link them to the library. I link them to our LibGuide. I link them to our course management system, and I link them to an awful lot of teacher librarian resources. And you can add up to 10 links, and they'll appear over here on the side. I'm not going to do that right now. But you can set up your community with categories and with links. And the other thing you can remember is that hashtags work within Google Plus communities. And so give hashtags a try when you post. I think this is a great and growing way to network. Whether you decide to join a community that already exists or to start one yourself, I would definitely consider starting one for your book club if you have a book club. Imagine the book club setting up categories for the different types of books that people are suggesting that you read, various genre. Start the discussion as people are reading before they finish the book, before the meetings start. The possibilities are endless, and this is just a very, very easy way to keep up and to network. So I hope that you'll give Google Plus Communities a try.